Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start cleaning only in selected rooms on Dreame Mova E20. To do it, in the app click on the room, then select the rooms that you want to clean. You can see that I only have one room in the map, but if you want to clean more rooms, then select them. To select a room, just click on it, then select more and more, and the order in which you select them will be the order in which they will be cleaned. So if you, for example, select your living room first, then it will first clean the living room. Then if you select a kitchen, the kitchen will be cleaned second. And for example, dining room, if it's selected as third, it will be clean as third. Then when you set it to all, it will clean your whole home. And when you set it to zone, you can draw a zone that you want to clean. You can also add more cleaning zones, so it will clean 2 zones, for example. To remove a zone, click on it, then click on X. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.